Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. I've never done this before. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my anniversary gift, and if you stay tuned to the end, I have a little giveaway for everyone. It's kind of not little, it's kind of huge, but kind of fun. I would love to get this like even right now, as I've already built my collection. That's a little sneak peek for you. But yes, so if you stay tuned to the end, you can enter my giveaway. Yay! Okay, so if you are a part of my channel, thank you so much for coming back. If you're new here, please subscribe if you like this type of content. It would mean the world to me. And don't forget to smash that like button and comment on anything you'd like to see. So yeah, so let's get started. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the beautiful bag that this beautiful piece came in. I'll tell you what it is before I unbox it, I guess. It's probably in the title of my video. I've been looking for a wallet. So after going through so many reviews on YouTube, after looking at a lot of wallets at the store, I think I fell in love with this one for many reasons, and I'll tell you why after I show it to you. But I was looking for a bigger size wallet just because now I am a mom and I carry a little bit more stuff, and I do a lot more stuff that I usually I didn't do before as a single, you know, married girl. So yeah, so this is my previous wallet, my Zippy Compact. I also have the Zippy coin purse, but I don't consider that really a wallet. It's just like something I use when I have to really downsize into a tiny little purse. So I was looking for an everyday wallet that fits all my needs and is beautiful, right? So we happened to stop by the store, and it was our dating anniversary. My husband and I have just celebrated 17 years together as of June 2nd. So we've been dating like since he asked me out in high school. It's been 17 years. So you can kind of see how old I am. But I thought it was really sweet of him to want to get me a gift like that. But yeah, so let's get to the unboxing. Okay, so it came in this beautiful orange, their new orange print bag or whatever. And the essay that helped me was so sweet. I've never actually had that one before. I've dealt with two other ones on a regular basis, but this one was so sweet. She even made it a little extra special, did a little bow, the little card, we can write a little note, but my husband did not write a note, but it's okay. So yes, so it comes in this little box, and I'm gonna try not to undo it because I'm weird like that. Okay. It's in this beautiful little box. It's a pull-out drawer box. I love these boxes because you can even store things afterwards or put them on a display or anything you like. I'm just weird that way. So it comes in there. It comes with a dust bag. Okay. And here it is. Ooh. I'm so excited. Okay, this is the Sarah Wallet. It's a full-size wallet. It is a lot bigger. Not a lot bigger, but it holds more things than my Zippy Compact wallet. If you can see the size comparison right there. I mean, you'll see. It just, I need more card slots and I need more space to put extra things that I don't have space for because my wallet's just bursting at the seams in a sense. But yeah, so this is the Sarah Wallet. It just smells like new. It's the envelope style, which I really, really love. And then in the back, it has a little pocket. Oh, is that pink? I didn't even notice that that was pink. Okay, so that is pink. And that, I think, is one of the things that like drew me to this wallet, is that when you open it up, hello, it's pink. I mean, oh, I love it. I know a lot of the wallets come with the pink interior, but this one's just, I don't know, it spoke to me. I was going back and forth between this one and the Clemence wallet, just the zipper one, just because it was nice and thin, but it just reminded me too much of my Zippy Compact and how much I'm kind of over the zipper in a sense. I can't believe I said that because that's one of the things I love most about that wallet, but I'm kind of like over that, so I kind of just want something that you can just take out and flip, pay whatever, move on type of thing, right? Okay, so it comes like this. You open it up. It's beautiful. I'm thinking of getting it engraved here with my name or my initials. It comes with 4 credit card slots at the front, and the first compartment right here, it comes with another 1, 2, 3, so 6 credit card slots like on this side. And then in front of it, there's obviously a space, and then there's another little pocket here, and then there is a zipper compartment in the middle. And once you move that zipper compartment to the front, you have another 6 credit card slots right here in the back, if you could see that. Okay, and then behind that you have another compartment. So there's tons of compartments in this beautiful wallet. I feel like you've got tons of space to store things. I know like a lot of people say like the more space you have, the more junk you put in, but at the same time it's like I find myself needing a slot for money. I hate putting money in there and have it fold. One of the things that really bothered me all the time, that I had to like struggle putting money in the back of my zippy compact. I mean, I love that wallet, don't get me wrong, I do love it, but it's just like I think I've grown out of it at this point, or I'm just ready for something different. I feel like it's like a big girl wallet, like a full-size wallet. So yeah, so that is my unboxing. This is amazing. I love it so much. I love that it's pink, and I love that it kind of represents a date, June 2nd, our dating anniversary. We went there as a family. I don't know, it was really cute. He got a couple of things, and I love this. I was thinking maybe exchanging it for something, but I just love it now that I'm looking at it again and just seeing the pink interior and just the amount of space I get to have without having to fumble or like double card little slots, you know, and then a nice space for money, and a nice space for receipts or any little, you know, little paper that you need to store in the meantime. I really, really love it. So thank you to my hubby for treating me with such a sweet gift. And I'm so grateful for him, and I'm grateful for the opportunity that we had to purchase something sweet like this. And I'm really, really excited about starting to use this wallet. So that is my unboxing. I don't know if I'm missing anything. This is, again, size comparison. Okay, right there. And width right there. I mean, it's a very different wallet. This is a zipper, this is a flap. So yeah, that is all for my wallet. So now for my most exciting part, we've reached 1,000 subscribers. OMG, like I never thought that I would reach even like 100 subscribers. Honestly, it's been so sweet to hear all your comments and all of your suggestions and all the things that you guys like to talk about on my Instagram too, like all these beautiful things that you have to say about my family and my pictures and such. And also for the ones that have subscribed onto our family vlog channel, that was so sweet. So I thought that it would be a really nice thing to do a giveaway. So let me just reveal what we're gonna give away. This is one of my most favorite pieces of all time. It's one of my first pieces that I've ever gotten. I have honestly never not used it for one thing or another, like keys, cards, anything, like anything. It goes from any single purse. It is the most versatile SLG I have ever purchased. Like it goes from my tiny little purses like my Eva clutch all the way to my like totes, my Everfull, everything. So since I unboxed an SLG, I will be giving away one of these to a lucky winner. Yeah, so let's get to the rules of the contest. Again, I am so excited to be giving away this beautiful piece to a lucky winner, and all you have to do is be a subscriber to my channel, like this video, and comment down below anything you want. And if you'd like an additional entry to up your chances of getting this beautiful SLG, you can follow me on my Instagram, and I will set up a photo there. And all you have to do is follow me on Instagram, like the photo, and tag a friend in the comment section down below. If you missed any of my instructions, it'll all be listed down below in my description box. You can go through all that, and it's really easy. I mean, just enter, you never know, right? and it'll be open for a whole month as of today. And please give me about a week or two to go thoroughly through all the entries so I can be fair and choose a winner, because I really want to be fair and take my time to choose and go through all the entries, etc. And also I'm having my baby in the next week, I hope, and so I need time. So yeah, I am so excited for this. I am so grateful for all of you who have subscribed. We've reached 1,000, OMG. So yeah, so don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I really hope that this video has somehow lightened your day up. And yeah, so I'll see you in my next video.